In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Kit Email. Adding a poll to your email is a great way to get quick feedback, learn what your audience is interested in, and make your messages feel more interactive. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently drop a poll into any email you're sending. First, open the email where you want to add the poll. This can be either a broadcast you're sending to your list or a sequence email that's part of an automated flow. Once your draft is open, place your cursor on a new, empty line at the exact spot where you want the poll to appear. This makes sure the poll block has its own space and doesn't break up any paragraphs awkwardly. Now, look to the left side of that line and click the plus icon, or simply type /poll on your keyboard. This tells Kit that you want to insert a poll content block. When the poll block appears, click on Start a New Poll. That will open up the editor where you can define your question and the answer choices. Begin by typing your main question in the question field. Try to keep it clear and specific so subscribers know exactly what they're voting on. Next, add your options. You can include up to 6 different choices, which is usually more than enough for most simple questions. As you type each option, think about keeping them short and distinct so there's no confusion between answers. Next, let's look at the advanced actions for each option. Beside every choice, you'll see a gear icon or settings button. Click that to reveal additional actions you can attach to that specific option. One powerful feature is tagging subscribers. When you enable this, anyone who clicks that choice will automatically get a tag added to their profile. This is perfect if you want to segment your audience later based on their interests or responses. You can also set up a redirect. With this turned on, after someone votes, they'll be taken to a specific URL, such as a thank you page, a related article, or even a product page that matches their selection. Finally, customize your poll settings. Set how long the poll should stay open. You can choose to close it automatically after 1, 3, or 7 days, or leave it open indefinitely if you're collecting ongoing feedback. Decide whether you want subscribers to see live results after they vote. Showing results can boost engagement, but you might hide them if you don't want responses influenced. And last, tweak the design by adjusting button colors and fonts so the poll fits seamlessly with your brand and the rest of your newsletter.